Alright, I have a relay that works, which is this one. It's a 6-pin. It's the same as that one. That's the one that's messed up. I'm gonna show you proof that this one works. I'm gonna be using a right here multimeter, and I'm gonna put on this mode, or I'm gonna show you the difference. Alright, let me unplug the battery, negative and positive terminal. Alright. See if you could see it. Let me turn on a light so you guys can see it better. There we go. Same. And this relay. The only difference is that this is just a 24 VDC and the other one right here is 12. Is a 12. So let's get to it. So right now I have a 12-volt battery with me. I'm gonna connect it to one of those pin. Since this pin has 6, alright, because we know that this is a negative. This is a negative pin. If you could trace it, look, right here the wire, just trace it, and you use your multimeter, you see if it beeps or not. So that's what I do. Alright, that's what you should do if you have a multimeter. So I'm gonna connect. I don't want to connect here because it's gonna fall off, so I have to connect it to here. So negative right here. Now I got my positive. And since I cannot do the same as the other one right here, so I have to connect it to right here. Alright. I'm gonna pause the video and put my tripod on, and now we're gonna test it with the multimeter. So what you do first, this is what you have to do first. Connect these. Do the same thing but swap the probe around. Like that, see? No beeping, right? Now we're gonna jump to these 2 pins right. We're gonna do this small pin first right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom it in real quick. This right here. So what we're gonna do is put the probe right here. Move my thing back. Put it right here and right here. See, there's no beeping, right? There's no beeping. Alright, you're gonna swap the probe around. Negative on this one and the positive right there. Alright, that we know that it works. Alright, now I'm going to use the messed up relay. So I'm going to pause the video. And we're going to do the same as before. So, negative. This is negative right here. This negative right here. Get into a positive. Alright, swap around. Do the same. No beeping right now. We're going to do this one. I'm trying to make it clear so you can see it better. So, alright, I don't want to block what I'm doing. So, this pin, see how it's beeping? It's bad. We swap it other side. See, we know it's bad. Because if you did like this, see how it's not beeping? And I swap it the other way, it's supposed to not beep. See, it's beeping, that means it's messed up. Because this one I had, this one didn't do that. So that's how you test a 6-pin relay. So let me zoom it back. So yeah, remember this is a negative, and the rest of right here is positive, positive, positive. That connects to the positive part of your battery terminal. So just figure out where to trace it, or to make it easy for you, just desolder the relay, then you could test it. Because it's more complicated when you're testing it when it's on the circuit board. So that's how you test it will work. So I'm gonna be swapping this working one and put on this one. So that's what you have to do. So that's what I have to do. So I'm gonna be using my preheating. This is one of my ghetto preheating. So what I'm gonna do is, let me see. I'm gonna be putting onto here. I'm gonna try to figure out how to clamp this thing. Clamp it onto the circuit board. So when I pull out the relay, it would be much easier for me to take out. So this is how this thing operates. Let's check this out. There's level one is just wind blows, air comes out more, but it's not hot or anything. But if I put on 2, yeah, I'm on 2, it comes out more hot and the air blows out more. So So this is gonna be a part 2 video. So stay tuned.